Support and resistance are the most important levels on any chart because that's where price keeps reacting, bouncing, or breaking. And here's how to spot them on TradingView. First, just find the obvious reactions. So what you want to do now is look across the chart for prices where the asset has clearly bounced multiple times. And these are like levels that appear again and again. So don't really overthink it. You're just looking for prices that catch your eye. Say we want to mark out here and here because we see that prices bounced off here 2 times. All we have to do is click on Option H and a line will pop up. Or you could do Alt plus H if you're on Windows. Now, this isn't perfect since we're very zoomed out, but you can obviously zoom in more. And it's important to note that you should use wicks and bodies differently. Let's zoom in to demonstrate this better. Now, for strong support and resistance, mark the level using the candle bodies, not the wicks. So what that would mean is we move this up to around here. Now, wicks are emotional spikes and bodies are where the market actually closed, which just means that they carry more weight. So we want to be making our decisions off that. Now, there's another step, which is switching between time frames. So this just means that the strongest levels will appear on multiple time frames. So let's say we pull up the weekly chart. Now let's zoom out a little. We'll see if this still stands. Obviously, the weekly chart doesn't seem like the best idea, and this is why you need to switch between multiple time frames. We were on the 5-minute before, so let's not go to the 15-minute. Let's see if this still stands. You can see that there is a support level here, and we can adjust it a little bit depending on what time frame we want to be using. Now there's another step, which is watching how price approaches the level. A level that's being approached slowly with declining volume is often going to hold, but a level that's approached very, very aggressively on heavy volume is often going to break, and that is most likely what happened right here. Volume is a key confirmation, and there's a common beginner mistake, which is drawing too many levels. 3 to 5 clear levels on a chart is typically enough. If you're drawing something like 20, every move is going to look important, but none of them are actually going to be useful. And a quick tip to organize your levels, simply right-click any line, and then just click on the lock. Now it's not going to accidentally move. That's it. Just find the reactions, count the touches, use the bodies, switch time frames, make sure it's actually there, and don't overdo it. Have a great day, guys.